so welcome to the channel. Now, on this video, we are creating a pompadour hairstyle. Now, I'm just going to talk you through a little bit of what I'm doing. Rather than a step-by-step guide, it's just a bit of knowledge to what goes into this style. Now, as you can see, I'm starting with a bit of scissor over comb work. That is taking the weight, the length and the bulk out of the sides a little bit. Then sectioning the hair over the top, cutting through the fingers, just to give it more directional sort of style for the hair. Then as I'm going back and forth through the hairstyle, I'm going back to a bit more scissor over comb to let it sit right in certain areas. Now, when we cut the fringe on the style, I'm going to drop it down forward just to get the very ends off, but most of the fringe cutting is being taken up and back into the sections so we get it to lie a certain way. Now, as we progress on from the scissor cuts, I am going to do a bit of clipper work on the sides. Just basically a clipper over comb technique to get a bit of the weight out of it and to get a bit more definition around the edges. Then followed by edging up the style with the edges. That's giving it a nice sharp sides and a sharp neckline. With the neckline, some people prefer a weightier neckline for the pompadour, like this gentleman in the chair. Some prefer a taper and others prefer it longer so they can put a DA in the back. With this guy, like I say, we're doing a sharp, straight, squared neck. So once I've done around the edges, I'm going to apply some Rousel Grooming Tonic. Now, Rousel Grooming Tonic is brilliant for these sort of styles. It creates a stickiness in the hair, allows you to blow dry to get that bit of lift and height. Ignore that bit, that's just my dinner arriving, so I'll get back to the video and start blow drying the hair. Now, with the blow drying, I'm using a circular brush, a round brush, and rolling it round to create the lift by blow drying the root first, switching it for hot and cold settings, and then lifting it up and creating the height of the pompadour. Take it round in the crown first, gradually working way to the front, then use a vent brush if you prefer to use a vent brush to even out the style. As you can see on there, I was using the afro comb. Applying a bit of product now. We've used the Rousel Concrete for this style, just to hold it in place, get a bit of a shine to it, but a strong hold as well for the size of the hair that it is. So apply a bit more concrete, even it out again with the afro comb, and there are some photos to follow shortly with what we've done. Any questions, hit the comments down below and we'll try and answer them as quick as we can. Hope you enjoyed this video and take care of yourself. Cheers for watching.